to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we're just going to be doing glow lines. So first of all, get a picture of somebody and select new layer, then click on your pen tool and just draw some nice curvy lines around the person. There we go. So the next thing you want to do is pick your brush and select brush size, and you want a hard brush. Let's see, in one, say just around, just bigger than the size of the lines, obviously. Just going to go with that one, and then you want to come back down to your pen tool, right click on your image and select stroke path and select the brush, and that will create the outline that you want. So now hit enter and that selects it, and then if you click on new layer and then come back to your brush, you can then come up here into your colours. Oh, hold on, need to change the brush size. You want a soft brush, and we want a bigger size as well than the size that we've just done. So let's see, that looks okay. And then yeah, just come down and pick your colours out. So I'm just going to start with a pink, and then just colour over, you know, some of your line. So I'm just going to work my way through the colours and work my way down the line just now. So there you go, your picture should start to look like that now. And now if you come over to the same layer, just right click and create clip and mask. That'll give us a sharper outline. And then if you come back to your pen layer and double click on that to get your layer style, the first thing you want to select is outer glow and change your blending mode to normal up here. Then choose a colour white. Remember, make your opacity 100 as well. And then you can come to your stroke value and you want to pull the stroke down to 1 and change the colour in here. Again, I'm going to make it a white, so that gives us a nice outline, although you can change your outline colour to match whatever you're doing. So yeah, we're just going to click OK there, and then the next thing you do is just come down here, create a new mask, get your brush, and you just want to colour over where the image meets the part of the body. So you want to need to change our hardness of our brush. That gives us a better brush, and then I'm just going to go through and just brush over close to all the edges and just match that up so it's nice and flush. If you need help just figuring out where the parts are, you can just reduce the opacity and that will give you a better view of just where the edges are. So I'm just going to go through that just now. So you should end up with a nice effect like that once you've been round your lines, and then you can change the opacity, bring it up. I'm not going to bring it up to the top, just going to bring that up to there, and then you can reduce your fill a bit as well, and there you go. So you get a nice glow effect. You can play around with the settings yourself and see what sort of effects you get.